In this video, we'll show you how to install the 3CX mobile app. You will need your mobile phone, your desktop PC or laptop, and the welcome email on both devices. On your mobile phone, open your welcome email. Find the link for the app that corresponds with your platform. In my case, I'm installing on an Android. You'll be taken to the store, where you can choose to install the app. Once installed, tap Open. Accept the agreement. On the next screen, tap the arrow at the bottom to continue. You will be prompted to scan your QR code. This QR code is in your welcome email, so open it on your PC. Scan the QR code. If successful, you will see a welcome screen and a button to continue. If prompted, tap to allow the app to do what it needs to do. This will include managing audio and making and receiving calls. You should now be able to use the mobile app. I recommend making a shortcut for it on your home screen.